Alright y'all, I'm super duper excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys an affordable foundation for my brown skin girls that are also very oily. So if you are a brown skin girl like me and you have oily skin, this foundation might be perfect for you. Alright y'all, so before I jump into actually showing you guys the foundation, I am going to prep my skin. I'm going to be prepping my skin with the NYX Shine Killer Mattifying Face Primer. Y'all know this is one of my favorite ones that I've been using. I would have brought the Wet n Wild one out here too, but I just forgot it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this all over my cheeks and my nose. Definitely a lot of this I like to put on my nose just because that is the place where I get the oiliest. So actually I'm just gonna let that sit on my face a little bit before I actually put the foundation on. So while I'm letting this seep into my pores, I'm gonna talk about the foundation that I picked up the other day. Alright y'all, so today I am going to be testing out and swatching the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Oil Free Foundation. This foundation was only like $5. So, you know, I figured why not, let me try something different. I haven't tried, the only thing I've tried from this brand is their baked bronzer. I love the bronzer. I'm going to leave it in the description box, the one that I do use. But I decided why not try something different, try a new foundation, just because I'm still in the struggle to find my perfect shade, perfect combination for my skin and everything. So why not pick something up that's not expensive? But yeah, so yeah, I got the shade Brownie 8414 Brownie, and yeah, it says up here on the back that it's the perfect color, perfect blend, ideal for all skin types. But we already know every foundation is not perfect for all skin types. But I decided to give it a try. What stood out to me was the sleek packaging. It kind of reminded me of my MAC Pro Longwear and the Fenty kind of mix. I just really like the packaging. I'm a sucker for some beautiful sleek packaging. So hopefully this foundation is a match, because I definitely will be picking it up again. So this is my first time opening it. I have not. Oh, okay. I was not expecting an applicator. I thought I was gonna be pouring, so okay. So I was not expecting that. Black Radiance, y'all shocked me a little bit. I didn't know that. I do appreciate the applicator just because I am very heavy-handed when it comes to products of any kind, any sort. So this would definitely help me not use too much. First thing I'm going to do is swatch it on my hand and then put my hand up against my face, just because I have not put this foundation on at all. So this is going to be, ooh, okay. So that was a lot. Looking at it on my hand, it looks a little dark. I'm a little scared. It looks a little orange. I don't know if it's because it's a lot on my hand or what, but that does look pretty deep. I gotta look at it this way because of the lighting, but it looks too dark, which I'm not liking. Maybe when it oxidizes, it'll brighten up, but it looks like it's one shade too dark for me. I don't know, but I don't know. Because in the package, and that's why I'm like, drugstore lighting sucks when it comes to picking up foundations, because like you never really can tell if that's your true match. So like just looking at it in the packaging, I mean, it kind of looked like it was gonna be a decent match. I know I'm picking up kind of yellow, and that's just because of the ring light, but yeah, so I don't know, we'll see. It kind of looks like one of my matte foundations that I don't use anymore, but it also kind of looks like, I can't even think of the name of it. I don't know, y'all. I'm scared. I'm nervous now, but as always, I mean, I have concealer that can help brighten me up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip this twist out the way, because obviously it has its own agenda and it doesn't want to behave itself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use the applicator and apply a little bit on my cheeks, I guess. And the applicator is not like a brush, it's kind of like Ooh, it's so cold. Like a, I don't even know what to compare this to. It's like a piece of plastic. It's not like a brushy filling. I'm just gonna put some on my nose and then my forehead. But I don't know, now looking on my skin, it looks a little bit light on my face. I don't know, y'all. We about to... Y'all, keep y'all fingers crossed for me while I do this. I'm just gonna clip the other front piece out the way because I will be hot if I get foundation in my hair. So I think I'm going to use, I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals Precision Face Brush to blend this out. And I'm just gonna blend going upwards and out all over my face. Oh my goodness, it's really cold. Y'all, I don't know. I do not know about this one. As far as how it feels really, really smooth. Like, I like how it feels on my face. Y'all, I just got a whole tan that quick. Oh wow, I need to look outside of the ring light. I don't know. Maybe this will be like my summer shade, but then again, I don't really wear foundation in the summertime, so I don't know. All right, y'all, so my overall thoughts about this foundation. Does it go on very, very smooth? Yes, I love the application. The applicator was definitely a 2 thumbs up for me as far as applying. It doesn't really feel like I have any foundation on at all. I love that. I love feeling like I could just wipe my face, even though I'm not going to do that. But I definitely love how it feels, the consistency. It really did not take a lot for me to cover my entire face, so definitely I like that about it. The only downside is this is not my shade. Like, I know right now the lighting is making me look all nice and popping, but y'all, this is not my shade. So y'all let me know in the comments down below how y'all feel about this shade on me. And if you are familiar with this foundation, let me know in the description box what shade you think that I need to go to next. I am going to go back to the drugstore and actually look around and see if I can do a shade up, because like I said, I do like the consistency. It does feel very, very smooth. I like how it has the applicator because it definitely helped me not to use a lot. I love that about this foundation. But overall, I don't feel like it's a match, but it does look really good. So I don't know. So if this is definitely your color, please go get it, because you can't beat $5. You can't beat $5 for some foundation. And yeah, as far as being oily, I don't feel oily at all. It feels like my normal skin. So I definitely two thumbs up for me for that, for Black Radiance. Again, this is the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup in their oil-free foundation. So definitely go and pick this up at your local drugstore. I will leave a link to this foundation down below in the description box. Alright, you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy finding the perfect foundation for brown skin girls with oily skin, definitely make sure that you drop me a comment down below in the description box. Let me know what you guys thought, and also smash that like button and share this video with your friends. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. You do not want to miss any of the new videos that I have coming out on my channel. And y'all already know what to do. Stay home, stay safe, and also stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.